All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and well, I hate stupid people. This video is going to be kind of ranty because, well, you can't fix stupid. You know, continuing to do the exact same thing, expecting different results, the definition of, insanity. And I run into that so often nowadays. You know, it's just, why? Why are you pricing out a job that you know is not going to go well? Why are you pricing out a repair that you know is not going to go well? Putting two junkyard power steering motors in a vehicle, knowing they fail all the time, expecting them to work is just insanity. And I get sick of it. It's tiresome to do the job over and over and over again. When you've told the service writer you need to get a OEM or Denso starter for this Honda because this design grinds unless it's a Denso or OEM, and they still order the crappiest starter they can and it grinds like hell. And what do? They order another one of the same brand and expect a different result. Or, crappy alternators. Oh, I know this was cheap, but there's a reason. Oh, it whines like hell. Let's order another one. Oh, that one whines like hell. Keep in mind, there's lots of really smart people that are also incredibly stupid. Just because you can do math really well doesn't mean you can do other things well. There are stupid people that are just straight up stupid, but there's a lot of smart people that are incredibly stupid. One of my favorite sayings is, if you think you're the smartest person in the room, I can guarantee you are not. Chances are, if you think you're the dumbest person in the room, probably aren't either. But so many of the really smart people can't understand why they make stupid decisions. Because stupid decisions by smart people is just as common as stupid decisions by smart people. Problem is the smart people always have in their mind better reasons for doing stupid things. Still stupid. It's still stupid that they're doing that. They say they're smarter than I am, except probably not. I've never claimed to be a genius or anything like that, but I'm rarely the smartest person in a room. And usually when I'm the smartest person in the room, I'm in a pretty dumb room. Generally. And how this relates to auto repair is, well, constantly making the same stupid decisions. Those cheap alternators that keep dying on us and having to warranty, let's keep buying them because they're cheap. Or selling Dorman parts because they're cheap and we can mark them up a lot. Oh, I know we have lots of comebacks, but, it's fine. It's not damaging to our reputation at all, but we're making more money. A starter not even leave the building because it grinds as soon as you turn the key. You can't deliver that vehicle, so you have to put another starter in there. And of course, same brand, same problem. Oh, now I got to wait 3 hours for a good starter that I should have had in the first place. Or alternator, same thing. Crappy alternator, doesn't charge. Oh, next one. Crappy alternator, screams like hell. Let's order another one. How about no? Doing the same thing over and over again is the definition of insanity. And, it applies to technicians as well. I've seen many technicians just constantly make the same mistakes over and over and over again. Not looking a vehicle over very carefully and missing huge safety problems because they just don't look. Getting on the tool truck spending way too much money, getting off the tool truck, and then wondering why they're broke. You know, I worked with a kid that went out every weekend, partied like crazy, and wondered why he had no money. Stupid is as stupid does. So I know this was ranty, but I hate stupid people. So don't be stupid. So anyway, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.